Hi sir, how are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, today you are here for your hair review after you've done your hair transplant procedure here together with stem cell treatment. Can I get your journey feedback so far?
So far, so good. The service is very simple and the result is very super too.
So you're happy with the results, yeah?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Would you recommend any of your friends or anybody who's having hair loss problems to come to GloJasG?
Yes, I recommend it because the result is so good.
Even there is no sparseness of hair over here, there's no bald patch. Crown area also looks very healthy. As you can see, there is good density and good hair growth throughout the scalp, the hairline, the mid scalp and also the crown. Thank you for your honest and generous feedback. Thank you, we appreciate it.